So yeah, we're at Lee Creek. I'm stuck here till early May. Can't get to my own lawn, unfortunately. So I was looking back on some of the videos that I've done over the last few months. Look back at those February videos when I was in Sydney. Was it February? Oh no, it's all a blur now.
January. Late January.
Late January, was it? God. Flies. When I was there at the time, Sydney was going through a massive heat wave, 40 plus every day. And everywhere I looked, all the lawns were showing heat stress. It was just getting smashed to smithereens. No, I did meet up with Adam from Grow Lawn Care. I thought, yeah, I'll do a video about him. Things got very, very busy at the page at March. Like I had to go to the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show. A week before that, had the Sunrise interview. A week before that was the, or a week and a bit before that was the paper interview, and you know, that's caused me about 4 trips from far north of SA to Adelaide to get all that completed. And I mean, I had to drive to the Melbourne stuff, so I was just flat out March. I didn't get around to the video, and I must admit I forgot that I actually did a video of Adam until one day he sort of messaged me and went, hey, you're gonna do that video that you said you were going to do? And I said, yeah, I'll do it. So I'll tell you about Grow Lawn Care. They're in Kellyville, New South Wales. Adam Bainbridge is the sole operator and owner. He's doing professional turf care products and practices for the residential market. He was actually doing that well before the Lawn Porn page started. It was a new business that he started, and he's been a constant friend and ally of Lawn Porn, so to speak. So he comes on the Lawn Porn page regularly, and you'll see it come up, Grow Lawn Care. And I've made lots of mentions of him. I mean, he's a trained professional. He's supporting the page of us lawnies, and it really supports his business. So all those mentions and everything that I do on the page about Adam, a lot of people say, oh, he's paying you money. I'm not. It's just because I like what he does. I like his attitude. And I was lucky enough to meet him when I went to New South Wales, when I picked up my Protea. There's a passion with Adam, there's a passion with his business, and we like to support that. So let's check out Adam Bainbridge, Grow Lawn Care. Get your lawn on. Alright Adam, tell us about Grow Lawn Care, mate.
Grow Lawn Care. Started about 18 months ago now. Basically the whole point is just to have residentially priced turf care. So fertilising, insecticides, fungicides, lawn problems, re-turfing, that sort of thing. Coring, top dressing if you need it. And yeah, it's going pretty good.
Got the Grow Lawn Care truck. Sprayers, solo sprayers. I've got the exact same one, I reckon.
Yeah, I saw you on the video on YouTube. That's all my goodies.
Yeah, look.
That's all the nasty stuff which I keep beautiful. It's locked up.
Yep.
Safety data sheets tucked away, which I was glad to finish all them yesterday. Fungicides, insecticides, different sprayers. Roundup one for the nasty stuff.
No Lawn Porn products, mate.
No, yeah, this thing's pretty good.
Yeah, the boom spray, yeah.
Saved my skin about 1,000 times. But yeah, good for, we do a couple of big properties up at the mountains, about 900 to 1,000 square metres, there's a couple up there.
Yeah, yeah.
So this thing helps out a lot.
I like the rockery in front of your, you know, it splits it up real nice.
Work in progress.
Yeah, it always is, mate.
Bone dry.
Yeah, she needs water. So Adam, what would you recommend in this case?
Bit of moist.
Here's your money, mate. Just take it out of that, alright?
Just pocket it. Yeah, so we're due here for our next visit in literally about 4 or 5 days. As we were just saying before, it's probably about 40 degrees out here, I reckon. Yeah,
it's pretty warm today.
Hopefully that thing's going to bring a bit of moisture.
Yep.
But yeah, just like you said, heat stress all through Western Sydney today. Well, last 4 or 5 days, I think we've had
You can see it everywhere that we're going. Is just every lawn is dry, brown spots.
Stinking hot, yep.
Stinking hot, yeah.
Yeah, so this lawn's normally mint green.
That's because you look after it, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah. Normally pretty good. So yeah, we're due here in about 4 or 5 days. Obviously wetting agent will definitely be going down. Obviously the customer Glenn's just chuck a bit of water on it, which will help.
Yep.
And yeah, a bit of a top up with some nutrients, so get that bacteria in the soil, which will be good.
That'll come back in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, so about 4 or 5 days after, normally you get a good hit with the initial nutrients.
Still got his good lines going.
Yeah.
So Glenn, get some water into it, bloke. All right, just do it. All right, lift your game. Well, Lawnies, there you go. Adam Bainbridge from Grow Lawn Care. He's got some excellent results of what he does on his Facebook page. If you have problems with your lawn, check him out. He might be the answer. Totally professional, and he loves what he does. Check him out on Facebook. If you're out Kellyville, New South Wales way, you should really check him out. He'll get your lawn on.